Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 7G Loan Stop Revenue. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is Excel 7G Loan Stop Revenue. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the file 7G loan staff revenue Excel downloaded with this project. We go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the second worksheet warehouse payments table in a cell B8. Enter the PMT function using a cell B4 divided by 12 as the rates in a cell B3 as the number of payment period and cell B2 present value of the loan. Display the result is a positive number. Display the second worksheet. Display the second worksheet warehouse payment table. Warehouse payment table and cell B8 enter the PMT function choosing the cell B4 divided by 12 as the rates in the cell B3 as the number of payment periods in a cell B2 the present value of the loan and display the result as a positive number. In the cell B8 select the cell as B8, type is equal to and insert the PMT function in a cell B4 divided by 12 as the rate in a cell B3 number of payments period and a cell B2 is the present value of the loan. Type is equal to and type the PMT function is the payment function in a cell using the cell divided by a B4. Select the cell as B4 is the interest rate and divided by a 12 divided by a 12 by a comma and as the rates in a cell B3 is the number of payments period. Select the cell as B3 number of periods apply a comma minus is the B3 is the payments period and then cell the P2 present value display the result is positive number and this B2 is the amount of loan close bracket press enter button. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is create a two variable data table in the range B8 to H16. Set the cell B3 as the row input cell and cell B4 as the column input cell. From the cell style gallery, apply the currency cell style to the range C9 to H16. Select the payment option closest to bust but less than is 10,000 per month 120 month loan cell D16 and format the option with the node cell style. Click the cell A1 save your workbook. Create the two variable data in a cell BA to H16. Copy the value and paste the value. Press enter. So select the value and set the cell is B3. Select the cell is B3 is the row input cell and B4 is the column input cell. Go to the formula tab, sorry, data tab, and go to the for cost group. Click the with what if analysis. Click the goal 6. Sorry, data table. Row input cell is the B3. Row input cell is the cell B3 and column input cell is the B4. Column input cell is the B4, B3 and B4 column input cell. Click OK. And from the cell style gallery, apply the currency cell style range C9 to H16. Select the payment option closest but the less than is 10,000 per month 120 month loan in the cell D16 is the node cell style. Click the cell A1 is the save your workbook. Copy the value C9 to H16. Press enter. Select the ranges C9 to H16 and apply the currency cell style. Go to the insert tab, sorry, home tab. Go to the cell style group. Click the cell style. Click the cell style. Apply the currency number formats. Currency number format. And loan cell is D16 and format the option with the node cell style. Select the cell at D16 and apply the node cell style. Go to the home tab. Go to the style group. Click the cell style. Is the node cell style. Click the node cell style is the cell D16 and click the cell A1 save your workbook. Cell A1 and save your workbook. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is a display the fourth worksheet job information. Select the range A4 to C11 and then sort the range by a job code in ascending order. By using the create from a selection command, create the range name is the job code choosing the data in the range A5 to A11. Click the cell A11. Display the fourth worksheet job information. job information, to the job information worksheets and select the range A4 to C11. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter, select the range A4 to C11 and then sort the range by a job code in a ascending order. Go to the data tab, go to the sort and filter group, click the sorts and sort by the job code. Job code order is the ascending order A to Z, and by using the create from a selection, create a range name job code using the data in the range A5 to A11. Click a cell A11. Click OK and create the range name job code using the data in the range A5 to A11. Copy the range A5 to A11, press enter and create a range name job code using the data ranges A5 to A11. Go to the pay formula tab and go to the define name. Click the create from a selection is the create from a selection. Create the range name is the job code using the data in the range A5 to A11. Click the left column and deselect the top row. Hit the creator from a selection is the creator range name is the using the ranges left section. So click OK. Click A1. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is display the stuffing plan worksheets. Go to the stuffing plan worksheets and then select the range A9 to A18. Create the data validation list with the source equal to the ranges job code. Copy the range A9 to A18 and paste the range, press enter and create the data validation list. Go to the data tab and go to the data tool group, click the data validation list with the source equal allow is the list and the source equal to the name is the job codes. Name range is the job code is equal to and job code. So select the range is job code, click OK. So apply the data validation. Question number 5 is complete.